Hello, vlog!
Hello! We are the Soria family.
At ngayon, punta kami ng Tagaytay.
Wow! Talbo! At kasama naman namin si KSI.
Ngayon kami, punta ng Tagaytay para mag-celebrate ng birthday. Ito ang birthday girl.
Happy
Guys, andito na kami sa Lourdes Tagaytay Church. Okay, magpe-pray lang kami saglit tapos maghahanap ng makakainan dahil birthday ni Ate Polly. Sa labas yun.
Have been looking for all along. Let me remind you this. The richest person, the body and blood of our Lord Jesus Christ.
Guys, andito na kami sa Leslie's. Dito kami kakain. This is Colin, my nephew. This is Riley. Nis pala, sorry. Okay, dito na kami kakain. Dito manlilibre si Ate Polly na kanyang birthday celebration. Si Katrina. Si Andrea na maganda.
Yes, of course.
Si Kuya na maganda din. Si Ate na maganda din.
Happy birthday, Paul!
Si Madam Teresa. Ito naman si Madam Rosalinda. Ang beautiful of madness. Nag-aantay pa kami ng pwesto. Puno pa eh. So waiting pa kami habang nag-iintay. Iikot-ikot muna ako dito.
Happy birthday, Tita Polly! Happy birthday, Tita Polly! Love
Message.
you.
Yun lang.
Mga bata na lang.
Arte siya.
Mga bata.
Okay guys, nakakuha na kami ng table. Ito na kami, papasok na kami. Ito yung aking birthday girl. Ito nga pala yung may birthday. Magpapakain sa Leslie's. Bigatin na may birthday. Yan.
Ano?
Okay, go.
Happy birthday, Polly. Birthday, Polly.
Sapat, Nay.
Happy birthday, Polly.
Go.
Happy birthday po, Tita Polly.
Tita Polly. I
Go,
hope you
go,
have
go.
a nice birthday.
Ulit.
Happy birthday po, Tita Polly. San
Daddy, Papa Tracker.
Alam mo na, mas maganda ako sa'yo.
Polly. Happy birthday, Ate Pao.
Happy birthday. Ito po may birthday girl. Yan.
Hey, Mami, thank you for being my mother. Yun lang.
Ano message mo sa mami mo?
Thank you for being my mother.
Thank you, Mami. Thank you for being my mother.
2 days after a beautiful event.
Ah. Oh.
Birthday, Tita Polly.
Oh, ano daw ang message mo kay Ate Polly? Ano muna?
Happy birthday.
Ha?
Ano ba yan?
Ano?
Happy birthday.
Yun lang?
Yan, siya po sa GC yan.
Marami po. Go, get.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Anong message nyo kay Tita Polly?
Happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday, Tita Polly. We love you.
Oh, ano sasabihin ng birthday girl? Okay, that's all.